Yes, so this is the image. Now, let's try to understand. When we do data mining or data analysis or data manipulations, we need to understand the data. So there was a sum of all the numbers, right? Now, if we see bus stands or the ages, it gives us the clear picture of the amount each station is capturing, right? Including the nulls. If we, let's say, if we exclude the null parts, okay, so there will be some values which we are getting it from station A where we don't have ticket types, or at station B where we don't have ticket types, right? So now we can see all the values technically at station at different stations, which shows us the sum value. So this sum value will be sum of total values. Yes, that's true. So now what we understand is when we talk about card usages. So at station A, this is the amount. At station B, this is the amount. At station C, this is the D station. So then A and B, then A, B, C, D, E, and with this there are people traveling with NA as well. Now let's just drive some insights. Okay, let's just understand why we do this analysis. Okay, this is how our field looks like, right? The first point, what we see from this data is people go starting their journey from station D. From using the card, don't start their journey from station D. E, right? If you can see, there is A, B, C, D, but there is no station E, right? That means people who are using card don't start their journey with station E, neither they have any NA with them. So when we come to NA, we understand there are only station A and B which are related to NA. That means they have not put up their ticket types, or we didn't collected their ticket types data. But at these two stations, that means for other stations C, D, E, we have ticket type. Either it's card or either it's ticket. Let's come to ticket section. Now, ticket section, what we have understood is apart from you A, B, C, D, and E, there is NA. There is NA. That means rupees 20 has been collected from somewhere. Okay, so this is how we do understand our data. Okay, now if we want to export this image and we need to take out, so what we can do is we just need to click. So in that case, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go file, export as Tableau, and we can just store at any place. Okay, so you can see when the presentation in PowerPoint got stored, it came into this way. This was the chart, and we can just get out all the points of each cards. Then again, there are like sum of charges for each starting journey broken down by the ticket type. Color shows detail about the starting journey. The view is filtered on ticket type, which keeps null card and ticket. Okay. Then there is all these legends. Then you can see there is sheet number. Wow. I mean, this is good. I mean, direct exporting of images, and then it's like it is being used in the terms of format is good, right? I mean, and the original size is this, but if you can see, it's very blurry, right? What we can do is just copy, we can insert new slide, and we can just control V, that is paste. Okay, so this didn't got copy, this comes to, so if you want to paste it, you just need to do control V and it gets pasted out anywhere. Okay, let's go back to Tableau. Now we can see this thing is so good looking and etc. Let's do some more and learn some more things onto this. The first thing is you need to put up charges on labels so that each and everything gets the label. Then we can just have some ticket type which is there, ending journey on the labels. Now there are like a lot of questions, right? I mean, if you can see at this A to C, there is something. Then at station C to A, there is. Then station A from C, B from D. Then there are two stations aligned with different values. So you got this point, right? I mean, this is one of the way to analyze it. Let's remove the ending journey. Let's put number of records to the label. That's good number. So that means there are 484 people traveling on this thing. There is only one person traveling, null value. So this can be excluded. Then when we go to this, there are only two people which are traveling. This can be excluded, right? So this is like a good picturization of tickets and card distinctively. Okay, right? Okay, now let's go with the number of records and put it right. So we can see two different charts, right? Wow, that's again pretty good. And we just need to remove one thing. Now it gives, now if you can see, there are only prices out here. We remove the charges is gone. What we need, so now what I'm trying to explain in this position is the first chart is not at all affected. Okay, let's say only the second chart was affected. Charge was for number of records. I put it up this number of records to label, right? So only the records are there. If you can see, there are all. Okay, so then there is sum of charges, then there is sum of number wala charges, and then when you click on this number one charges sum and you remove the sum of number records, so now you get this clear picture of both the stuffs, isn't it?